Are you a wine store or a wine guide selling varieties of weekly selection of wine? Use this wine order form to publish your weekly wine list and take orders online. With this ready-made template, you can add your varieties of wine and configure inventory of your stock. At any point of time, your customers will only be shown what is available at your store. This order has built-in automatic calculations, so your customers will know the order total and the summary of the order before they submit the orders to you. Let's get started. We are doing this in 3 steps. Step 1. We'll copy this ready-made wine order form template. Step 2. Let's see how you can customize this template by adding a new category and a new product under that category. Also, we'll see how to set inventory of that product. Step 3. At the end, let's preview the final form and test it by placing a sample order. And we'll see how you can share this form with your customers. Now, on step 1, let's make a copy of this template. On Airtel's website, click on Create Order Form. In this template gallery, scroll down to the Beverages Order Forms category. Then choose this wine order form template here. This order form template has a set of wine varieties already. You can check the various functional and technical features available with this order form template here. To make a copy, click on the Use This Template button here on the bottom right of the page. Change the title to your shop name. For example, I change it to Sip and Savor. Then choose your currency. I'm changing it to Euros. For now, let's leave the language as English. Click on Confirm. It is now preparing your form. Alright, it is copied now, and this is your own order form. This form is in edit mode already. You see the little gear icons here? You can click on these gear icons to make changes to the items. Now let's move on to step 2, where we'll add a new category and add products to it. Here, let's try adding a new category named Fortified Wine. To do this, I click on this drop down next to Add Product and select Add Header. A header can be a category that can list many products, or it can just be a list of form fields asking the user to input something like contact details, delivery details, etc. On the sidebar, I change the title to Fortified Wine and I click on Save. You need to at least add one product to the category that you newly added. When you add, make sure that you name the product properly and add an appropriate price and upload an image of the real product. To add a product under the newly added category, click on the drop down next to the Add Field button and click on Add Product. On the sidebar, type the name of the product as the title. For example, I add Port Wine. For this option sold by, click on Quantity and click on Next. For this option, do you have different sizes of this product? I click on No, meaning that it is available only in one standard size. Now, Port Wine is added to the list. And here, I'll upload the image of the product and add the price as 20 euros. Now that I've shown you how to add a new product, I'll show you how you can set today's inventory of the port wine that you have in stock. Click on the gear icon next to Port Wine. On the sidebar, click on the Advanced tab. Then, tick the option Enable Inventory. Once you have checked this option, you can now mention the quantity you have in stock. I now add 2. That means the customers who come in first to order can order up to 2 bottles of these port wine. Then, when there is 0 stock left for the next customer, this product will be hidden or not shown at all. Now that you have set up this form and the inventory of a new product, let's move on to step 3. Let's see how to preview and test this form before you share it with your customers. On the menu bar at the top of the page, click on Preview. In this page, you can preview how your order form will appear in the desktop, tablet, and mobile as well. Edit Theme option here allows you to change the theme, color, and appearance of the form. Now it's time to test it. On the bottom left of the page, click on this link to open this form in a new window. Here is the final form. I'll now act as your favorite customer Paul, making an online order as your first customer of the day. As you're noticing here, the port wine is available in the list. Paul is happy to see the list in your store as he has been waiting for a long time now. So he filled his cart with all these 2 quantities of port wine. He now enters his contact details and address for delivery, and now places an order to you. he can see the order summary and the order total. This makes it easier for him to know what and for how much he owes you. All this while, did you notice that you did not do anything extra to calculate order amount and summary? Yes, all that is built in this wine order form template and calculated automatically for every order. At your end, you can go back to your order form and click on the Orders tab here to see the list of orders arranged like sticky notes in this easy visual dashboard. You can click on each sticky note to see the order details. You can move them across the different columns and manage your entire process from packing to delivery. Now, let's come back again to see what happens when the next customer opens your online wine order form to place his order. This customer Alex opens your form to see the list of items available for him to order. This time, because your earlier customer Paul had placed an order for all the port wine you had in stock for today, Alex does not see the item anymore in the list. So, this way, the inventory setting that you made earlier with available stock quantity is automatically reduced when your items go out of stock. Now, let's see how to share this online wine order form with your customers. Click on Share from the top menu. You can simply share the link of the form to your customers on phone, social media, or share it via WhatsApp, or even embed it in your website. Thanks for staying with me on making your order form. Start accepting orders online for your wine store today. If you have any questions or need any help, send us email at support@neartel.com. We are happy to help. See you there.